It's Laura Eubanks of Design for Serenity with your succulent tip of the day. And it's a Monday. We are breaking ground sort of on a new project in San Diego near downtown in the airport, kind of Banker Hill, Mission Hill area. Um, these are really fun historic homes too. And most of them all have kind of a hacienda kind of vibe to them. This one not excluded. This client found me through Master Gardener friend Sonia Prestridge's husband. So thank you very, very much for the referral, Arvid Straub. And here we are. So she didn't know me by reputation. So I'm going to be throwing some non-succulents into the mix, but don't think that I'm like, switching teams or anything. This is a special circumstance and there are parameters. But I just wanted to show you the front yard of this little property. Now, I don't know how long they've had the fake grass and they don't know me well yet, but I will be lobbying to try and have them let me get rid of this and do succulents, because look at these. These are like giant planters. I mean, there's no need for fake grass. There are no dogs. There's no kids to play on it. There's just no need. These agave attenuata foxtails are fantastic. I think maybe, though, I wouldn't be a bit surprised now that I'm looking at it. I doubt that this has been in that long, because it looks like they turned the water off completely, and these pygmy palms now are just struggling. Look at them. I mean, they're fairly drought tolerant, but they need something and they're not getting it. So I think we've got a little, I don't know, it's a citrus tree. I don't know what, lemon or lime or something. Yikes. And then this giant, two giant queen palms. So, right? The options are just so endless as to what we could do here to just make this so stunning. And look at what a cute house it is. It's just darling. Here is yet another opportunity. This is yet another courtyard area, and then behind that blue door is yet another courtyard, which we'll look at another day. But, here also we have the fake grass. I'll see what I can do. Another queen palm that looks to be in fairly good shape. But that Greg and I went to Planter's Paradise the other day, and this is the property that all of these fun pots are for. I got, as you can see, an extremely eclectic collection of pots. There it is, the third ball. I got 3 balls. I'm so jealous right now. But lots of cool things. And then I also got some non-succulents because the client requested some flowering shrubs. And I know this is, a vine, but this took me back, because BS, before succulents, about 15 years ago, these were the plants I worked with exclusively. So it was kind of fun to shop. And the client understands that she's responsible for keeping these non-succulents alive. I make 0 guarantees, but I'm going to integrate them and work them into the design. We've got this, a salvia and a metrosideris and a euonymus. She loves orange, yellow, and purple. So I also got some little sweet pea shrubs, the petite butterfly, and I got this gorgeous begonia. I mean, wowza. Look at that. I mean, it's just neon almost. I wanted to get things that were fairly easy to grow too. So I don't know if I'm going to mix my mediums with the succulents or if I'm just going to plant non-succulents separately, segregate. Who knows? We'll see tomorrow. But this is a partial haul of plants. Still be bringing in more. Greg has custom painted some gutters for this client too. So we're going to need to go to Oasis and get our small plants for the gutters. And she's also got some special things in the back that she wants to keep. So let's go look at those. How's this for potential? I mean, first of all, the borrowed landscape of these yucca behind the fence are so beautiful and really masking all of those telephone lines. There's a giant podocarpus storm cloud right here that's going to be a little bit of a mess, but does provide some really nice shade for my clients. But it's just such a cute space. We're going to be doing the gutters on this wall back here, 2 6-foot lengths. And she's got the foxtail agave. She's not married to those back here. Those will go out front, probably with the herd. But the Senecio is going to stay, probably be repotted. This has sentimental value. It's a Boston fern, I guess, or sword fern. And it's got a crassula in it, which is kind of cool. So we'll spend some time getting this all cleaned up, fertilized, and watered, and it should be very lovely. Over here, she's got a vine. It looks just like kind of like a pothos to me, almost like a house plant. But this is also a sentimental plant for her. So I will do my very best. It's a big ceramic pot. Now I tempted to if I would like to crack it out of this pot and replant it in a slightly larger pot where I could sink it a little deeper and make it look better. We'll see about that. I'll check with the client and see if she thinks that's a thought. And then this little house plant, variegated house plant, also has sentimental value. So this will be a really easy one to clean up. And she's got, a cute orange pot here we can use. She's got some, terracotta, very, very kind of Asian, Japanese feel on that pot. She's got some euphorbias that she wants to keep. And this jade is special to her. It's for her nephew as soon as he gets his own place. So we will top dress this. It's nicely shaped. But yeah, so there's some things that we can work with here. And where it doesn't look daunting, it's going to be a really big job. And the transformation, if you just kind of want to pan around, Greg, so they can kind of pick up the details, the transformation is going to be stunning. Look at that borrowed landscape over there of that trumpet vine. How pretty that is in the neighbor's yard. And the beautiful gates. That color, kind of blue-gray color, is the same color that Greg painted the gutters. And they've got really cool distressed teak furniture, beautiful umbrellas, really nice coastal influence and breezes, and a few other surprises that we'll be able to show you as the days progress. So I've got Alex, Hannah, Cullen, Miguel, and Terry coming to help me on this. And you'll be able to see tomorrow how things start to develop. And I think we'll probably wrap this up probably Thursday, I'm thinking. There's, like I said, still, a bit of running around to do, but I'm just really, really excited for the finished product. It's going to be like a shiny penny. Over there is the San Diego Bay, and I don't know if you can see the aircraft carrier over there and some other Navy ship, but it's kind of cool. This is a really neat area. It's a neat area of town, very historic. And it's, here I can hear the Interstate 5. I can hear the traffic, but it's very subdued. And there's just these great breezes, and it's just an extremely zen, peaceful place. I can understand why they wanted this to be phase 1. This has been Laura Eubanks of Design for Serenity, reporting in Bankers Hill with your succulent tip of the day. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.